Have you ever wanted to visit San Buenaventura State Beach?
Well, that's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're younger every day.
So basically we bought a fifth wheel, sold almost everything we had in Texas, packed up the kids and the dog, and headed west.
Now I'm going to school and we're loving this crazy life.
On this channel we do product reviews, share tips and tricks for RV living, and take you on amazing adventures just like this one.
So if you're new here, click subscribe to join the younger gang, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get a notification every time we post a new video. Today, as part of our educational field trips with the kids, we're taking them to San Buenaventura State Beach.
Let's go.
Today's beach day. I'm so excited. I can't wait to go to the beach. We've been telling everybody that we were going to move to California and be near the ocean, and then we've been staying in Soledad Canyon, which is the desert basically. And it's fine, we like it. It has a great pool and everything, but it's the desert. It's hot, it's arid, everybody's hands are getting real dry, lips are splitting. Kenzie does not like the dry area. She does not like the desert. I grew up in New Mexico, so I grew up in an arid environment, so the atmosphere, the heat doesn't bother me, nor does the ice cold pool. In any case, because we get like 90-degree temperatures here, and then we go get in the pool and it feels like it just came out of the Hubbard Glacier that we saw in Alaska. So anyway, so we're headed to the beach and excited to go do that. Who's excited about the beach? So here we go, let's do it. All right, so we made it to San Buenaventura State Beach.
It's so warm!
The sand?
Really?
All right, I'll check it out. Does feel good. You guys just want to sit and play in the sand on the road. It does feel nice. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, lose the shoes. They don't like it at all. The water looked a lot bluer from the road, didn't it? 71. You got the breeze blowing off the water. It's gonna be chilly.
Whoa, look at that bird!
Aren't you guys glad I told you to bring jackets? Ooh, now that is some cold water. This is it's a good place though. They can build a sandcastle and stuff. You may not want to get in the water though. That water is like ice cubes. What do you think about it, maybe?
Oh my god!
Hey, look!
Do y'all know how to like get along without screaming?
That's crazy. Careful, duck! Are those real? They're all connected. Are they alive? I don't know. Put them back in the ocean.
Connor, you're gonna get soaked, dude. Oh, I told you not to get out that far. All right, 71 degrees with a nice breeze, and it's overcast.
I want Kenzie and Ansley to tell me what we've been talking about in our science class. So what's a scientist? What do they do?
They ask questions.
They ask questions?
They listen and smell and look.
Can you learn about things by their smell?
Yes.
Yeah, what does this flower smell like?
It smells kind of pretty, but some smell
Some smell. Okay.
weird.
Listen right now and see the things you can hear. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and see what you can hear.
I can hear the waves.
You can hear the waves? Yes. And there's one more thing that I want us to talk about today that helps us scientists to learn, and it's not something on your body. There was something else he had. Do you remember?
Oh,
Tools. Good job, Kenzie. High five.
Tools.
Haley, you've been using this in class. Can you tell me what this is?
It's a thermometer.
It's a thermometer. What does a thermometer measure?
It measures the temperature.
The temperature. Can you tell us what temperature it is outside right now?
It's in between that mark.
It's about 70.
It's in between.
It's about 74. That's close. Connor, can you take this and run down to the water and tell us what temperature the water is? He's not gonna do that.
62 degrees Fahrenheit.
Well, we got our feet in it earlier, and sure enough, it was chilly. I want each of you to run and grab one thing that we can measure. Really fast, go. This was 4. Do you think that's going to be 4, or is it going to be more than 4 or less than 4?
Less than 4.
Less than 4? What number do you think it's going to be?
5.
We're going to put it on there and see which one weighs more. Which one do you think is going to weigh more?
I think this one. I think this one.
Okay, each one thinks theirs is going to weigh more. Let's see who was right.
I don't know. That one.
Let's see. Ainsley's weighed more. All right. The magnifying glasses make things
Connor, give me.
look bigger, so you can see little things about it you can't see just with your eyes, or it's hard to see just with your eyes. So hold it up here. What? Not put your face to it. Y'all did a great job.
Yay!
All right.
Had our first field trip. It's a Wednesday. It's great. And now everybody's having fun playing a little bit in the water, although it's too cold for me and then for them to swim. I can feel I knew we should have done the swimsuit. I can't believe those two dudes were out there swimming, man. It's pretty cold. We measured the temperature of the water. It was 62 degrees. That's pretty cold when you know, the air temperature out here is like, it's probably 67 now outside maybe. That's mommy on the inside, right? Oh my gosh! Y'all are gonna be so cold.
This is awesome!
When the waves are coming in and hitting those rocks, it's really cool.
Yeah, that is cool. Those are some big waves curling out there. You can definitely body surf on those or boogie board. That's what I like, boogie board. All right, time to go. It's go time. We will come back to the beach, hopefully when it's warmer. So that was a fun day at the beach,
Yes.
even if it wasn't what I expected. It
No.
was pretty far from what I expected.
We were hoping that it would be warm enough to like enjoy being there and enjoy the water and stuff. It was cold,
Yeah.
but it was fun.
It was a lot of fun. Everybody had fun. The kids, you could tell, they had a blast playing in the water, running around in the sand.
Right now in the car, they're kind of, you know, freezing to death, and they're all like really upset.
They're not very happy right now.
But
Cold
they
and
were
wet.
happy most of the time, and they learned some stuff.
Absolutely, it was really fun. I thought that the educational aspect was great, and actually the sun came out for a little while during that time.
That's right.
It was good.
It was not the best beach experience ever.
No.
It was not.
Not what I had in my head.
No, and it's not a beach I necessarily would want to go back to.
No, it's kind of shallow. What I mean, it's like not very far from the parking area to the surf.
In general, though, it was a good day.
Yeah,
It was fun.
I liked it, but I don't want to go back to that beach.
Surely we can find some better beaches in California, right?
There are a few around.
1 or 2. So we'll check some of those out and let you know.
Definitely. That was our beach experience. Now we want to know,
What is your favorite Southern California beach?
let us know in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure and give us a thumbs up and let us know you liked it.
Also, don't forget to click subscribe to join the Younger Gang so you can be a part of this awesome community.
And we hope you'll check out some of our other videos right over there. So, heading out to the beach in Southern California with high expectations, only to have those slightly dashed by overcast skies and really cold water, but then sharing it with you because we did actually still have fun. That's just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.